we're going to go through 7 possible ways that you could get a free cruise. We're going to go through the details of how you do that. Also, we're going to throw in a few tips along the way, so stay tuned to the end of the video so you don't miss anything.
Way to get a free cruise number 1. Bingo! That's right, Sierra. Bingo.
It is one of the ways to earn a free cruise. And how you do it is throughout the course of your cruise, you look at your cruise planner or cruise compass for the times that they're hosting bingo. You show up, you buy your bingo cards, and then hope you win. If you win, typically at the end of the cruise, they do a big game and give away a free cruise for 2.
Way number 2 to get a free cruise is Timeshare Presentations.
That's right, Sierra. Timeshare Presentations is one of the ways that people do earn a free cruise. And here's how you do it. A lot of the times you'll see them advertised. You call, set up an appointment. They're going to try to hard sell you to buy a timeshare. Don't be afraid to say no. That's one of the biggest things with timeshares. If you're one of those people where you can go and stand your ground and not be bullied into buying a timeshare, because that's how they do it. They want you in there and they try to guilt you and force you into trying to buy a timeshare. And timeshares really aren't a good thing to buy. But if you have no problem going and sitting through a 2-hour presentation and saying no, they're going to give you a voucher for a free cruise. Not all of them do cruises. Some of them do cruises. Some of them do, other vacations like Disney World and stuff like that. But you want to go to the ones that are for the free cruise vouchers. And also one of the things to think about when you earn these free cruises by doing the timeshares or these other methods, you're essentially getting the cruise fare for free. You're still going to have to pay your port fees and taxes. You're still going to have to pay your gratuities. That's all coming out of your pocket. The only thing you're getting for free is the actual cruise fare itself. The third way to get a free cruise.
Credit card rewards. Swipe!
That's right, Kaylee. Credit card rewards. I personally use this as one of my methods to get free cruises as well. Most of the major cruise lines, Carnival, Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, most of them have a credit card reward system set up with a particular credit card. I use Royal Caribbean's credit card a lot. 2% cash back on all Royal Caribbean purchases is what you get, 1% cash back on everything. I don't earn enough money off of that to get free cruises, but I do get onboard credit, which I use on my free cruises that I get from one of the other methods that I'm going to share with you once we get there. So definitely sign up for credit card rewards. Use it for whatever, that they have different levels. But if you do earn enough points, you could get a free cruise from your credit card rewards. So just for a couple more bonus ways that we're going to throw in here to get free cruises. Not really free, but some people say that this is one of the ways that you can cruise for free is to, number 1, work on a cruise ship. If obviously you're on a cruise ship, you're cruising for free, you're getting paid to do so, even though you are working. So I don't really consider that cruising for free because you are working. Another way is to do presentations on cruise ships. Sometimes cruise companies hire people outside to be guest speakers, stuff like that. But like I said, I don't really consider that a way to be a free cruise because you obviously have to know something about the subject that they're hiring you to speak on and so forth. So just to throw those in there though, because those are ways that people do get on cruise ships without having to pay.
The 4th way to earn a free cruise is
slot tournament,
blackjack tournament, poker tournament.
On board, they're going to have tournaments throughout the Cruise Compass and Cruise Planner that you can sit there and sign up for. It's normally a flat fee to play in these tournaments. If you win the tournament for your particular cruise that you're on, typically you win a free cruise voucher to come back. Some of them are tournaments, big tournaments that you come back and play at the end of the year. But at a minimum, if you win this particular tournament for the slots, the blackjack, the poker, you will get a free cruise to come back on board. So the 5th way to get a free cruise
is to travel with a group of people.
That's right, Sierra. If you get a big enough group together, normally about 16 people, maybe a little bit less, a little more. If you book 8 cabins or more with a particular cruise line, most of them will give you comps. A free cabin if you book 8 or more, or 10 or more, whatever their certain number is. So just call the cruise line you're interested in booking, get your group of people together. A lot of people travel with groups of family anyway, so you can get comps or discounts for your entire group, onboard credit. So call your travel agent or the cruise lines directly, whoever you normally deal with, to book your travel. with that big group, and you can be enjoying some of the great rewards that you get with that. Way number 6 to earn free cruises is
Casino comps and rewards.
So this personally is how I get the majority of my free cruises. Like I said, I use the credit card rewards as well and get additional onboard credit. But I typically get monthly rewards that look like this in the mail for free cruises for 2 people. And then by using these comps, I go on board and I play in the casino. So essentially, instead of me spending money on the cruise fare, I spend it in the casino. I'm going to do in the future an entire video on casino comps, how the casino program that I use works, how much money I spend in the casino, how much money I don't spend, so you can get a general idea how much it takes to start getting these comps. We'll do an entire video on that because I want to go into more depth on that. But as a general idea, you can get quite a few comps in the mail from your casino program. Just like this, you get yearly comps. So, like I said, we'll do a whole video on that in the future.
Lord, table maintain.
So, the 7th way that you can get a free cruise is simply subscribing to our channel.
That's right, Kaylee, because as our YouTube channel grows and our group page grows, we're going to, once we reach certain milestones and keep going up, up, and up, we're going to start giving away prizes. What are some of the prizes we're going to give away, Kaylee?
Merchandise has one.
Yeah, gift cards,
Free cruises.
T-shirts, just all different variety of stuff. And when we give away our free cruises, they're going to be truly free cruises. We're going to pay the port fees, the taxes as well. So only thing you will have to pay on your free cruise that we give away is any excursions or any of that you plan to do. So definitely smash that subscribe button, watch the content, love.
Thanks for watching, everybody.